Celis. It's April 13th.
Alright, into Ballardvalle. This station stop is Ballardvalle.
Don't know if you heard that or not, but that was just an announcement that we are approaching Ballardvalle on the Haverhill line. I'm on my way to my mother's right now. Just wanted to let you know I will be putting up a video as soon as I can. But this is my weekend to go and be at my mom's, so I hope you're all doing well. Sorry about the odd perspective for the camera right now, but trying to figure out this new system software. Just wanted to give you guys a nice view. Sorry that there's no motion at the moment, but we're just stopped. But we'll be taking off again soon, and I'll be putting videos up again soon too, hopefully in the not so distant future. As always, please make a request. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to do an energy healing video on. I really go by suggestions. I often make my videos based on questions I get asked. Otherwise, I just look and try to find things I think people would like seeing. So if you have any requests, please write me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for taking the time to come check my videos out. Hope to see you again soon, or hope for you to come see me again soon anyway. Take care of yourselves, be well. Thank you again for your visit. Namaste, peace and light. Cheers.